Why does your scanner show the P2208 engine code? What does it mean? P2208 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater sense circuit bank 1. This engine code indicates that this issue is related to your vehicle's emission control system and often affects diesel engines that use a selective catalytic reduction (SCR) system with diesel exhaust fluid (DEF). Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor. Wiring problems. PCM failure. Exhaust leaks or blockages. Diesel exhaust fluid (DEF) system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Ford, and Mazda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.